We live in changing times. Today, change is the new constant. So, there is this desire for change all the time. So, when you try to understand the times as it is today, we find change as a constant. We find there is something which I would call the pseudo identity syndrome. We are taught to be what we are not. Our management, B schools teach us to project ourselves as something that we are not. The third thing I find is that there is an obsession for technology. So, I will call it the technology boom, but it is also the technology obsession. And then finally, the fourth thing is the I phenomenon. So, how will you make a change? How would you make things different? I believe because change is inevitable, we need to think of continuity with change. Can we look at our heritage, our values, our foundation, and hold on to that which is valuable while we change for the better? Can we look at ourselves, what we are, and present our personalities as we are and make the best of it, so that the pseudo identity, the real identity, will really be, it will mask or get rid of what we want as a pseudo identity. Technology is important, is beneficial. So, can we try to find that which is caring, that which is compassionate technology, that which is beneficial for our people? And finally, can we replace the I with we? We know that teams do much better. Today, when we look at the real world and we look at the dance sequences, the performance sequences, it is many people doing the same thing together that brings out the best result. So, therefore, can we value the character ethic much more than the personality ethic? Can we try to control less, compare less, while we try to empower and enhance each other? And in so doing, we would, as a country, E.P. Thompson, the British historian, said that India is the most important country for the future of the world because of our diversity, because of our democratic traditions, because of what we are. So, can we work together for a country where there is much more of oneness, where the continuity, the foundations are relied upon along with the change, where the true identity becomes important, where compassionate technology is the essence and we instead of I? If we are able to do that, we can truly, as E.P. Thompson said, become the most important country for the world. A brief message from the Believers Church Medical College Hospital.